Hey everyone. Stop doing these beauty mistakes before it's too late. You could be spending money on skincare and makeup, but still damaging your skin without realizing it. Today, I am sharing the most common beauty mistakes people are still making. Mistake 1. Using too many skincare products. More products do not mean better skin. Layering too many actives can weaken your skin barrier, cause irritation, and lead to breakouts. Fix: stick to a simple routine: cleanser, treatment, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Mistake 2. Skipping sunscreen indoors. Many people think sunscreen is only for outdoor use, but UV rays can penetrate windows and damage your skin even when you're inside. Fix: use a lightweight SPF every morning, even if you stay at home. Mistake 3. Sleeping with makeup on. Sleeping with makeup clogs your pores, increases acne, and speeds up aging. Your skin repairs itself at night, and makeup blocks that process. Fix: always remove makeup before bed, even if you're tired. Mistake 4. Not cleaning makeup brushes. Dirty makeup brushes collect bacteria, oil, and dead skin. Using them daily can cause acne and skin infections. Fix: wash your brushes at least once a week with soap. Mistake 5. Skipping moisturizer for oily skin. Oily skin still needs hydration. When you skip moisturizer, your skin produces even more oil to compensate. Fix: use a lightweight gel or water-based moisturizer. Mistake 6. Over-exfoliating your skin. Exfoliating too often can damage your skin barrier, causing redness and sensitivity. Fix: limit exfoliation to 1 or 2 times a week. Small changes in your beauty routine can make a huge difference. Fix these mistakes, stay consistent, and your skin will naturally glow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips.